4 minus 1 gives us 3. And here inside this parenthesis we have 6 minus 1, which equals 5. So 3 times 5, which equals 15. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. And remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parenthesis. We need to pay attention that in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so here first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 6 minus 1, which equals 5. So 4 minus 1 times 5. Okay, now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. Now we have to do this multiplication, because in PEMDAS multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, 1 times 5 gives us 5, and we have 4 minus 5, which equals negative 1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 1.